Good morning, boys and girls. Today's Monday, and you should be starting your digital learning. So I thought I'd give you like an overview on how to navigate the course and everything and what to expect. So if we see right here, first we're going to do is we're going to sign on just like normal. And then we're going to come to the place where we're going to look for Schoology. And then we're going to go up to the top and we're going to find where it says courses. And then we're going to look where it says you can see sort of us there. That's Mr. Scorzia, that's me, and that's Mr. Sowers for homework 05. Now yours should be up there. And you're only going to be in the home room. Okay, there's a picture of us. Yay. Um, and then we have I have a welcome video of us three talking, so you want to watch that. And in this folder, it says, Welcome to Mr. Scorzia, Ms. Schoenbeck, and Mr. Sowers' online digital learning course. In this folder, you find important information such as our schedule requirements and how to get in contact with me throughout our online learning. So when I click on that, there's the welcome video that I did of just me. And the overview, I'm going to narrate that. And then you can click on that. And then procedures for parents that they can look in English and Spanish. The e-learning handbook from the county and the bilingual glossaries. Those are the ones that we give you when we are giving you a test. And there's only so many of you that get them. Not everybody needs them. And if I didn't put one on your desk during the benchmark testing, you did not need one. Okay, so we can go back up here. I can hit the word next. And it goes into that, or I can go and it can bring up whatever's next that I haven't seen, or I can go back to homeroom. And that's where I can see how that you can click on that and you can click on that. So if I come here, then if you look at this, we have ELA, which is me, math, Mr. Scorzia, science, Mr. Sowers, and look what else is on here. We have art, music, PE, and Miss Schmidt for the ESE kids. And on the other side, it tells you what's coming up, upcoming things. So let's go down into the ELA because that's what we're going to look at with me. So we're going to go by weeks. We're going to start off with 2 weeks, but this might go on longer. We're not sure. So we're being prepared. So this week is the week that we're working on right now. So we have it set up by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, the best part about this is if you want to work Monday, I'll say you got a lot of time Monday and Tuesday, I just want to knock those out, you can knock them out. All the assignments. But say that, you just want to follow the schedule. I want to do it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So you can just do whatever you want. So in it, we have a bell work. And that's, we added that to keep us going and get us started. So what you have on that one, if you come right into it, it has like a question and it's a discussion. So this picture right here is me. I'm Rose Schoenbeck. So that's why it says me, because if I'm signed in as me, okay? So what you're going to do is you will click on that and then you will type in your answer and then you'll hit post, okay? And then you can click the next button to tell you what to do next. Okay, so you're going to click on that and this will bring up you a link of an iReady movie. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here. You can click right out of that. I'm on an Apple this time. That's why mine looks a little funky because my computer died. All right, so then we can hit next again, or we can go back to Monday. It doesn't matter. You can either do that or the other. And so we have that's what we just looked at. What is the technical text? And then today's reading, which is a PDF file. And then I'm doing two different things here. Electricity and motion. I'm talking about the LEQ and then reading it and then doing the lesson. And then, so if we look at that, then you need to go to electricity and motion. The Nearpod lesson is gives you the capability to highlight and write on it. And then you have independent work. Click on that. All right, so you have that and it says you can take a picture and then upload it. And then that's that. So when I come back over here, back to week 1, March 30th through April 3rd, Monday's done. Then I can go to Tuesday, and Tuesday's the same setup. So we'll go through all that, and the same thing as we go through the week. And then when we're all done with that, then we'll go to the next week, which we haven't started yet. And that's what's expected of you for your online learning. I wish you the best, and remember that you can always get a hold of me. So let's go back here and look where you can get a hold of me. In the welcome information, I have a PowerPoint. So if I view this tells more information for you. Give it a second to come up. Okay, so it's just a PowerPoint. It's going to say, it's supposed to say Mr. Escorzia, but I haven't added all that. So I'll add a Mr. Escorzia and Mr. Sowers to that. And so this number here is our Google cell phone number. So you can call or text me on that, and it goes right to my regular phone. Okay, if you need to get a hold of me. And there's my email. Okay. So then I go back to welcome. And that's it. All right, if you have any questions, call me up, and good luck, and I look forward to hearing from everybody. If I could take this all the way back to the beginning, and all of your wonderful work, and I miss you very much.